Hey guys, we are about to witness one of the most majestic views that nature has to offer, the sunset. Watch that sun slowly sinking behind those yawning mountains and spreading the beautiful colors in the horizon. Look at these beautiful colors spread like a canvas in the sky. The sun is almost about to disappear behind those yawning mountains. The setting sun has laid a blanket on this place with peace and solace. Calmness and peacefulness is written all over this place. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share if you like this video.